Hey, Ernie, I'm home.
Oh, hey there, Bert. You are
Hi.
just in time, Bert.
Ernie, what's going on here? What are you wearing that silly hat for?
Oh, well, you see, Bert, I'm about to sing Happy Birthday to you.
Oh, but Ernie, it's not my birthday.
Well, I know that, Bert.
Then why are you singing happy birthday to me?
Well, I'm not singing Happy Birthday to you. I'm singing Happy Birthday to the letter U. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear letter. Happy birthday to you. Hey, you want to blow out the candle?
Oh, me?
No, not you, Bert. Make a wish.
I wish I wasn't here.
No, not you, Bert.
Oh, you.